Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Asko brand washing machine and it's giving you an E36 error and you're wondering what is this error and what can I do to fix it. And so basically what this error is that you have this control interface and then you have the control board and they have to talk to each other. And if the communication between the different pieces of the washing machine, there's something wrong there, there's a fault, it will give you this error. And because this error can exist anywhere within the electronics of it, this is not an easy one to fix on your own. But one thing you want to do before you call a technician is that when you have these electronic errors like this, just like a computer that acts up, sometimes just doing a hard restart will just kind of get all the internal computer stuff working again. So to do that, all you need to do is just turn it off, disconnect it from power. So either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the breaker and leave it off for at least a minute. Once you do that, you can restore power, turn it on. That should clear the error out and hopefully it won't come back. If it does at that point, you should call a technician because they're going to have to check lots of different things to figure out exactly what's going on. You might need a control board replaced, you might need to replace the interface, something like that. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.